Will, say ah. Ah. Will, say ah. Ah. Say ah. Ah.
Oh, Alex is going to say ah. Okay. How about you, Will?
Say ah. Say Will. Say say ah. Ah. Say ah. Ah.
Are you waving?
Say Will. Say Will.
Are you going to say ah, Alex?
Say ah.
Say ah.
Ah.
Got to get in there before he shuts his mouth.
How about you, Alex?
Say ah. Ah.
Good boy, Alex. He does it quietly.
I'm watching the show here.
One more time. You going to do ah for us, Will? Say ah. Now we'll get John with the visual here too. Say ah. You say ah? Yeah.